Hey everybody, this is Joey with redmeatlover.com, and today I just want to do a quick product review of these copper grilling and baking mats. Tamara at MiTBA sent me these a couple of weeks ago, and I've enjoyed using them so much I wanted to give them a shout out and do a quick review. The first thing you're going to notice, it comes in a packaging that kind of looks like a giant Duracell, frankly, but it is easy and convenient to use. And once you open this up, you're going to find 3 red copper grilling mats in here, as well as some care instructions. So the first thing you're going to notice is that these are a little bit dirty because I've used them a lot. They're awesome on the grill. I love putting chopped vegetables on these, things that would normally fall right through the grill grates. I've done vegetables, I've done shrimp, and a number of other things. Also, my wife absolutely loves these things. She says she makes the very best biscuits she's ever made in the oven using these mats. So I can vouch for myself. I've used them a lot. I don't have anything to show you on the grill today, but I use them quite a bit. They clean up so easy, and none of the food sticks. It's a great tool to have when you're on the grill and looking to make vegetables or, again, other things that fall through the grate. So you can find the link to this product on Amazon in the description below, or as always, you can check out our website at redmeatlover.com. We're going to post this product review as well as the link. Thanks for checking out this product, and we'll see you real soon.